part 3. So, teacher, can you please stop that? That is more. Bro, are you serious? Whatever. And I really love my case. Gonna put your fingers in it.
Pangalagan niya atay kikipita kami. Tinwelda ni sarili na. Kami nito niya kayo.
So, yeah, I'm gonna show you. I can
Selo daw, pakanalan.
wee,
Kaya ni Flores. Joseph del Flores. Na, palak na kami yung panin.
Not an apply. I love it. This is my badge.
Ha? Tita, dapat may tumutong dyan.
And my jewelry, of course. I have two jewelry. Looks like the same thing, but I just need it. And of course, I have more jewelry. Let's come up to the you spin me, baby, right around. Let's do you spin me right around. You spin me right around, baby, right around.
Muli kayo pakasilang
You spin me right around, baby, right around. Okay. Of course, I have jewelry.
Eh, kung naman namin sa Nuwaldo ito, kailangan
And this thing, it's like my fidget.
nung nakakabemaran sa pagpagkipulo.
Teacher, stop fidgeting. I'm not. Yes, you are.
Matiyala kay Kenneth ang Pulmaya.
Then this is
Bago na pa
like
bang
glitter.
Kenneth na Milo?
You spin me right round, baby, right round, like I like you, baby, right round, round. Part 2. I read part 4.
Ang part,
Last part.